welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing my experience at Hilton Fiji Resort and Spa. I stayed at this hotel back in 2018 and my experience was exceptional. The staff were incredibly welcoming and the hotel surroundings were just as stunning as I had hoped for in a vacation destination. This time around, my stay at the Hilton was just as wonderful. The staff remained incredibly warm and welcoming and the overall ambience of the hotel was excellent. As a Hilton Diamond member, our room was upgraded to a suite and it was spacious with exclusive access to the swimming pool and beach. We even received a welcome gift in the room. Although the hotel lobby may not be as grand as some of Fiji's other 5-star hotels, and in fact it may appear a bit dated, the enthusiasm and hospitality of the hotel staff completely overshadow any minor shortcomings. During the check-in process, they even provided refreshing drinks and cold towels, which in the hot island weather were greatly appreciated. Overall, I really love this hotel and I wish to revisit this hotel anytime sooner in the future. Before we move on to the actual room tour, please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't already. Every Friday I'll be uploading one hotel review video to my channel and I've been doing this for more than 1 year. Without further ado, now let's get into the journey. Thank you. This is our welcome drink, lemonade and one tower.
Subscribe, like and share the channel. Vinaka.
Thank you.
Bye. See you later.
See you later. So as you can tell on my right side, this is the kitchenette. We got a kitchen area in this hotel. We got a microwave right here. Wow, we've got a lot of glasswares and mugs inside it and some plates as well, which is lovely. We got all those cutleries, utensils as well in cardboard. We got some dishwashing products inside it. Here we got some complimentary tea bags. Yeah, we've also got this electrical stove as well. Yeah, a lot of pans inside it. And down the bottom we got a dishwashing machine. It's empty of the top. And inside this one we got 2 bottles of water and 1 milk here. Wow, over the top we got more things. So this kitchen area is very big. And here is our lounge area, like dining table area. I really like this picture, and this is our welcome gift. Look at that. And here is our lounge area. So our lounge area is pretty big. We got a sofa, and this is coffee table, and opposite this one we got a TV. Then walk to the side. This is our bedroom. Wow, the bedroom is really big, and look at this. It's really big for 2 people. We also got a bed table, which is really lovely. Just let me quickly check out the bedside settings. So we've only got 1 charging outlet here, and this is the Bluetooth speaker with USB socket. On the other side, we've got 2 charging sockets right here. Yep, and 1 telephone. That's it. Oh, this is so pretty. And here is our bathroom area. So big, oh my god. So in the middle we've got this bathtub. And let's check out the toiletries. So the toiletries from Crabtree and Evelyn, which is quite normal for Hilton. I feel like they have changed their package. And this one is from Crabtree and Evelyn as well. And on this side is our washing basin area, which is really cool, very clean. We're gonna scale down the bottom, and first of all we got this hair dryer. Over the top, 1 basin, 2 basins, and here we've got Crabtree hand wash and body lotion. It's locked there. And here we've also got a shake kit, and what is this one? Got 2 shake kits and 2 dental sets and 2 glasses here. Wardrobe looks very big as well. Wow, this is our laundry area. one dryer, and one washing machine. The washing machine is really big, and we also got like washing powders here. Looks so cute. And we got an iron and iron board. This side we've got laundry bag and two slippers, one safe, and here we got some cloth hangers and two bathrobes. Walking to this direction, we've got a very big separate shower room, and here is our toilet with a television inside it. Yeah, of course, we've got another TV in the bedroom. So just wanted to mention, it's really beautiful outside. We got a swimming pool outside. Unfortunately, it's too dark today, so I'll show you guys tomorrow morning. To be honest, we've been to Hilton before, so we love Hilton. I mean, Hilton staff are super friendly. We love the vibe in Hilton Fiji. I'm so looking forward to tomorrow's our window view tomorrow morning. So see you guys tomorrow.